Hello and welcome to Excellent Link Academy. Let's consider yet um, the sixth method of differentiation known as implicit differentiation. When it comes to implicit differentiation, it's crucial to note that in this case here, x and y are placed together. If you observe the general method, first principle, chain rule, product rule, quotient rule, those methods there, you observe that they will say y is equal to something, equal to x or x something. In this case here, x, there's nothing like y equal to something here. In this case, x and y are placed together simultaneously, as you can see in this case here. So I'll teach you how to possibly find the y over the x here. The task is quite simple. So in exam, if you see something of this nature, they say find the first derivative or find the y over the x, it's easy. You should know that is what? An implicit. Why? Because x and y in this case are together. Alright. How do you solve for implicit differentiation? The task is that, note this is very important. Whenever you differentiate y, you must attach the y over the x to it. Whenever you differentiate y, you must attach what? The y over the x to it. That's the condition. Whenever you differentiate y, attach the y over the x to it. That's the key. Alright, let's start with this, please. Let's start with 2x, please. This is 2 square, x squared per se. This x squared. If I differentiate only x squared, I'll have just 2x. After differentiating x squared, I have 2x. It means that I'll not use this again. I'll now pick out 2 times 2x times y. So I'll have 2 into 2x and y. I'm done with x squared. Done. I'll now put a plus here. Why did I put plus here? Because this number has an invisible plus in the front. So plus. Let's now do y. For this y, I just differentiate x squared. I had this expression 2x. So this value and this comes down. I'm done. Mind you, I differentiate x, not y. This is y. Differentiate y. I'll have just 1. So it means I'll have this 2 into this x squared into not y now, but what I differentiate. This is 1. But don't forget that I just differentiate y. I will say anyway, whenever I differentiate y, attach what? The y over the x to it. So I will attach the y over the x to it. So I have this. I'm done with this first batch here. Move to this plus. This is 3y alone. Differentiate 3y. I'll have 3 straightforward. But don't forget that this is y. I'll have to attach what? The y over the x to it. I don't expect you to get the way I'm doing it now. Just watch it and rewatch it and rewatch it. You get it. That's the concept. So I'm done with this. This plus. Now I'm having s and y here. So start with x first. This is x cubed. I'll have 3x after differentiation. So I'll ignore this and pick 2 into 3x into y squared. I'm done with 3x, 3 cubed per se. I'll put a plus here. Why? Because I can see plus here. So put a plus here. Let's move to y squared. This is will give 2y after differentiation. So I don't need this one now. I need 1, 2, and 3. So that will give me 2 into x cubed. Not this y square again, but what? 2y. I have this. But don't forget that we just differentiated y. So I'll attach what? The y over the x to it. So I have this. Right? Finally, this is now equal to differentiate 4x, 14x. I'll have just 14. So I have this. Work on this. I will have that 2 times 2xy, that's 4xy plus 2 times x squared 1, that's 2x squared into the y over the x, plus 3 into the y over the x, plus 2 times 3 is 6x, y squared, plus this 2s cubed, hold on, 2 times 2 is 4, x cubed times y, s cubed y, also attach the y over x to it, is now equal to 14. Now, what's the next task? I'll take the values, or perhaps, yes, the value that have the y over the x to the right hand side. The one that don't have the y over the x to the what? Left hand side. What do I mean? Hold on, guys, a little bit. Let me tell you what you need to know. Actually, I'm running a membership program, right, which can help you a lot. So to join my channel membership, it's quite easy task, right? As you can see the icon I'm showing you here, that icon is my membership opportunities, which you can access monthly. So I'll drop the link to the membership in the description of this video, right? So just click there, click on the membership link, so you purchase the one you want. So I have for jam and YA classes, and also I have for 100 level students. So whichever one suits you, click there and subscribe. If it, sorry, perhaps click there and purchase the one of your choice. Anyone you purchase, there are several advantage videos that I will not allow people to see. So it's for only those who have joined the channel that will have access to those even advanced problems. And also, I do help students from different countries to solve their assignments. So if you're in UK or abroad or Canada or anywhere you are in the world and you want me to help you do your assignments, you can simply check me. You can simply visit me on my WhatsApp number, or also share this video. I'll drop a link to a website there. In the website, you can register with us and you let us know which assignment you want us to help you to do. Do well to join the channel. Thank you. You can proceed with your learning now. All right. From here, I'll keep this one pending, and this pending in this place. So this becomes 2x squared. So I have 2x squared into the y over the x, right? I just said take the term that has value of x to the right hand side, and the one that don't have the y over the x to what? Left hand side. So leave this one here. I'll leave this here, plus 3 into the y over the x, right? This one has 2 plus 4 s cubed y into the y over the x, right? So that's all. So it's now equal to, this is 14. So those that don't have the over the x, take them to the other side. Take this one here, becomes a negative 4x minus 4xy. So take this one too. Take it here, becomes a minus 6x y squared. All right, I can see the y over the x common here. Bring out just the y over the x and open a bracket this way. This divide this, I'll have just 2x squared left, plus this divides this, I'll have just plus 3 left, plus this 4 plus this divide this, I'll have just 4s cubed y left. So it's now equal to 14 minus 4xy minus, I'll clean this off, minus 6xy squared. I'm looking for the y by the x. What do? I'm looking for this one. So I have to divide through by this. So divide here by this. That becomes 2x squared plus 3 plus 4s cubed y. Also divide here by that same thing. Bring it here. That becomes 2x squared plus 3 plus 4x cubed y. I have this. So this one we cancel this. I'll have that my dy over the x will be equal to this answer here. That's 14 minus 4xy minus 6xy squared all over 2x squared plus 3 plus 4x cubed y. This becomes my final answer after differentiating that question by applying the concept of implicit differentiation. This is how implicit differentiation works. So this is how to evaluate problems using implicit differentiation. So see you in the next class. Do it to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and classmates so that I can learn too. See you in the next class.